What up, HVAC people? Alright, got my water hose out today. We're gonna do some coil cleaning. Try to show you the proper way of doing coil cleaning. Cause I've seen people in this industry, been in the industry 15, 20 years, and they not getting it right. So this coil right here, you see is a rooftop unit. So I still got my old filters in. The old filters are going to help block water because it's a warehouse or office space down below, and I don't want to get any water down there. So I'm gonna keep the old filters in once I finish washing the coil the best I can, without getting a lot of water on the floor beneath the unit. I'll replace the filters. I got my disconnect off, my belt right here. I don't want to get my hand caught up in anything, but I'm gonna do the best I can to get back there and wash the coil. Matter of fact, I should be able to take that other panel off to get on the other side. And my pet peeve is never use coil cleaner. No matter who sell it or how good they say it is. Okay, this is the electrical panel like I thought. So I won't be able to get to it, so I'm just gonna have to reach as far as I can and do the best I can on cleaning the inside of that coil. Okay. So I'm gonna do it very quick. Like I say, I don't want to get any. Try to get back there best I can. Drip a little water. Like I say, I don't want to make a mess down there. Try to get that pan. Put some pan tabs on the inside of here. Flush that out real good. Alright. Like I say, and that's good there. Like I say, that's office space right there down below. We don't want to get too crazy because I can't get anything wet down there. So that's pretty much best we can do for that. But sometimes you can get you a cardboard or something like that and try to lay it over here. Some units I've seen a door where you can lay it over there, but this one you can't. It's too big. All right, that's my inside coil. Come on. Okay, why not just do this? But like I say, we ain't cleaning the coil. I've seen people, and you don't want to do this either. I'm gonna show you how not to do it either. You don't want to just come up here. You don't want to come up here and be like, okay, I cleaned the coil. It's done. Move on to the next one. It really should take about 10 to 15 minutes per unit when you're cleaning the coil. And when I say clean the coil, I'm not, this right here, okay, that's cleaning. That's not what we want. These units are outside in the weather, so they're going to get dirty like that or stained. We're not worried about getting these shiny like they was before. All we want to do is let the unit breathe. We want to let this fan suck the air through the coil. So all we doing is, this is all we want to do is. Do this whole condenser coil. I'm gonna do this section. I'm gonna do this section, middle section, and the end section. I don't know if you can see where your copper pipes go through here. Want to get that water right through there. Right between your copper pipes. So I'm gonna do a section at a time. So you want to just do it slow. If you feel your water pressure too high and you're bending your fins, just turn it down a little bit. That's something we doing all day. See all these units up here? A whole bunch of units up here. We're doing this all day. Or I say don't never think it's too good to clean coil. I got other guys checking amps, pressures, and temperatures. All I'm doing today, clean the coil. I find sometimes you volunteer to do this part. A lot of people don't like washing coils. But sometimes you volunteer, be like, okay, hey, let me wash the coil today. You know, you do the dirty work. Gain respect like that. Especially if you ask somebody to do it, they see you doing the dirty work. They don't mind getting dirty with you though. I said they go nice and slow through every line. I say you do not need no coil clean. I don't care what nobody say. Especially for rooftop units and commercial units. The only time you really need coil cleaner, I say you never need it. But if you're at above ceiling tiles and or like an office space and you can't get a water hose in there, you know, so you might damage the ceiling tiles or people's equipment. You may have to do what you got to do. But technically, the correct way to do that, which it can get expensive and people may not want to pay for it, you should pump that unit down or recover that refrigerant and take that coil out somewhere where you can wash it. Really want to get my comb and comb them fins out. I say this is all about taking time though. Don't be in no hurry when you're washing these coils. Just take your time and wash it. Try to do this about once a year. To save on the energy bill. Get more life out the unit. More efficiency, so the unit won't have to run as long. Pressure won't get too hot. You won't have high head pressure. So that's all we're doing today. Like I say, all we're doing is we just flushing trash through there. You can do this on one side. You don't need to get on the inside to do it. Like I say, you do it slow. Whatever trash in there, it'll flow right through there. No chemicals needed. Like I say, we're not trying to clean the coils. We want our condenser to breathe. We're trying to flush all that trash through. Not trying to get it shiny. Alright. Once I get that one, I'll come back and button that up. So I got about 300 foot of hole. I did all them trains up there. So I'm gonna knock these two out. Get that back row. Probably have to go get me some more hose. Same thing. Go to unit to unit. They want you to take your time and try to get every square inch of the coil. Y'all see my fin slanting that way, so I want to kind of point my hose in my nozzle in the direction that it's going. Nice and slow.